Hey, Team Momentum. Dave Bykowski here. I'm naming our team Team Momentum. I've used that in the past because I think definitely this is a product that is going to gain momentum and just going to push forward. So, with that said, look at guys, I'm going to give you my philosophy on this product. First off, it's an amazing product, Laminine. I didn't believe it. I don't think a lot of people will believe it until they take it. The thing about this product is it's almost like instant gratification. It works right away, especially on your mood. People that have pain also are experiencing some dramatic early changes within the hour or sometimes even less. The thing is now is how do we approach people? Well, I'm going to tell you what. You can approach everybody with this, especially if you're somebody like myself in their 50s, baby boomers. You're going to have a chance to really be in contact with a lot of people. And the way I look at approaching people that have done direct sales before, network marketing, is I would say that the best way to do it is don't pitch them on this new thing, the new business, the compensation plan. You got to get into this. Instead, I think that you should do is you should call them up. You should ask them first of all how they're doing. Always open by how you're doing. How's the family? How's the kids? How's the job? Etc. Let them get an opportunity to ask you how you're doing. And then tell them I'm doing great. In fact, I'm doing fantastic because I found this product that I'm taking that has changed my life. And they may say, oh, so now you're pitching me another program. So no, I'm not talking about pitching you a program at all. In fact, I think the product can help you. I want you to take it. But by all means, no, really. I have plenty of business. I'm doing well. I just want you to try this product because let me tell you, this is what it's done for me. And this is what it's done for this person and that person. And most amazingly, it's affordable. It's only, you're my friend. I'm not going to make money off you. It's retails for 45. I'll sell it to you for 35. See, and what will happen is they'll take this, and whether they're doing something else or not, they're going to want to have a piece of this because they're going to be so amazed by the results that they're going to want to have a piece of that action because they know when it comes down to it, it's all about money. And if there's a product that does something for them, they're not going to miss out on it. So don't worry and don't try to talk to them about compensation plans. Don't talk about the money even. Just get them the product. It's a product-driven company. And then some important things I want you guys to know is make sure that when you make your order, go ahead and do your auto ship. Get your auto ship in because once you become a premier, you want all your people on auto ship because for every person on auto ship, you're going to get $4. I've never heard of a company paying you money besides everything else you get, you're going to get $4 for every one of your people that is on auto ship. So if you're a big recruiter and you recruit a lot of people that are in the business and doing things, that could be a little bit of spare change, something to take the wife out to dinner or whatever, family out. So with that said, I'm very excited. I want you guys to know that I'm pretty much available all the time, except up till about 10 o'clock Central Standard Time. I get up early in the morning, so if you call me at 8 o'clock in the morning, 7:30, you're likely to get me. Another thing is, if you call me and you get my voicemail, do not leave a voicemail. Do me a favor, text me. I do much better with text. It's easier for me to get back to you. I'll see what it is that you need, and I'll get back to you. Emails, same. Just give me some emails. Check your emails. I'll be sending you updates. I'll be sending you videos. I'm doing different videos, interviewing people. If you get a testimony and you have something that's going on with you or somebody else, please let us know because this is how we're going to build the business. So, all right, Team Momentum, I'd like to close with this. It's not the most important thing, but I think it is important. Have a great day, and I'll see you at the bank. Goodbye.